Hi friends. So my today topic is anger management. Almost everybody has this anger issue. But how to control this anger? I'm giving you just two tips and I'm damn sure in 5 minutes you'll be able to control your anger. You will come over it. I'm sure not 100, it's 200%. So without wasting time, let's start. The first step is when you feel you are getting angry or you are going to shout on anybody, so don't do anything, just go and have one glass of water and eat two biscuits. What happen if you'll have one glass of water, then it calms you down, and it might be possible that you are hungry, then the two biscuits work. And one more thing that two biscuit work, when you chew the biscuit, it means you're chewing your anger, you're crushing your anger. If you don't want to have biscuit, you can have the chewing gum also. And the same is applicable for the kids. Just if their kids angry or they're cranky, just soothe them down, give them some liquid, some water to have, and then something to eat, so that they'll calm down. You will change the thing, you'll change the scenario for the kids. The second thing you need to do is just go, leave that premises where you are going to shout on anybody or you're getting angry, and go some secluded place like in the park, in the room, and then analyze yourself that yaar, why are you getting angry? कोई भी रीज़न नहीं है इस दुनिया में किसी के ऊपर शाउट करने का, किसी, बिकॉज टू एवरी इज ह्यूमन, हर किसी से गलतियाँ होती हैं यार. आपको क्या करना है, आपको माफ़ करना है यार, और आपको एनालाइज करना है आप कैसे उस सिचुएशन को हैंडल कर सकते हो उस 5 minutes में. Just say that person to whom you are going to shout that just give me 5 minutes, go and analyze the situation. With these two simple tips, have water, eat biscuits, and go on some secluded place, you will be able to control your anger. I'm 100, 200, 500% sure. The next thing I'm going to tell you that why this anger happens, what's the reason of this anger. So I'll tell you, it's the Eiffel Tower. The first is, that is the reason I'm going to give you now, that is mainly for the elder one, not for the kids. For the kids I come later. For the elder one, it's the Eiffel Tower. E is expectations. यार इतनी expectations क्यों रखते हो किसी से? हर किसी से expectations नहीं यार. expect करना है तो खुद से करो यार, खुद से expect करो, do something, तब मज़ा आएगा ना. don't expect much from the others. The second thing is फेलियर. हर किसी की लाइफ में फेलियर आते हैं यार. मेरी लाइफ में, मेरी फैमिली की, मेरे फ्रेंड्स की, आपकी. तो वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट फेलियर्स एंड वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. वी हैव टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग टू टेक इट एंड टू स्टार्ट अगेन. यू हैव टू बी सो स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर योर सेल्फ, फॉर योर फैमिली. ओके. द थर्ड इज़ फटीग. यार ऑफिस से आए बड़े थक गए यार आके बच्चे के ऊपर गुस्सा निकाल दिया. घर में इतना काम था यार, थक गए, बच्चे के ऊपर गुस्सा निकाल दिया. क्यों? The one thing you need to do, जब you are feeling tired, have one glass of water and go and take bath. When you will take bath, it will soothe you down. For this also I'm very much sure it will soothe you down. When you will come out, you feel energetic, you will feel very active. I'm sure about this. The next one is illness. यार बीमार सब पड़ते हैं यार. We are not the only one. Illness से क्या होता है, we get some irritability. But उससे हम, गलती हमारी है, हम irritable हो रहे हैं. We are shouting on anybody. What we are doing, हम एक aura create कर रहे हैं. That is the negative aura. उस negative aura से क्या हो रहा है कि हमारा recovery process delay हो रहा है. हमें क्या करना है, एक पॉजिटिव ओरा क्रिएट करना है, जिससे क्या होगा, हमारा रिकवरी प्रोसेस विल बी फास्ट. आपको हैप्पी रहना है। कोई आया गए, यार आप तो बीमार हो गए, बड़ा ही दुख हो रहा है यार, आपको क्या कहना, नहीं यार ठीक हो जाऊँगा, इट्स ओके। क्या होगा, पॉजिटिवनेस आएगी, पॉजिटिव ऑरा क्रिएट होगा उससे, तो आप जल्दी ठीक हो जाएंगे। लास्ट वन इज़ द लेजीनेस। काउच पे बैठ गए यार, टीवी देख रहे हैं, फ़ोन देख रहे हैं, मम्मा ने किया, बेटा व्हाट इज़ दिस, डू समथिंग। मम्मा क्या है, अब हमेशा मेरे ऊपर ही क्यों ऐसे लगी रहती हो, गुस्सा क्यों आया, गलती हमारी। तो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, you go out in the morning, in the evening, do running, do swimming, do some activities. इससे क्या होगा, आप एक्टिव रहोगे। If you have nothing to do, help your parents, read books, help the other ones. There are a lot of people who need help, but कुछ करो। ऐसा नहीं है इस दुनिया में कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है, you have a lot of things, कुछ करो। तो ये थी बड़ों के लिए, फॉर द एल्डर वन। बच्चों में क्यों होती है मेनली गुस्सा, इरिटेबिलिटी, वाई इट हैपन्स, कि वो क्रैंकी क्यों होते हैं, मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ द बुक, बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टार्वेशन। उन्हें भूख लगती है, देन दे कांट एक्सप्रेस कि मुझे भूख लगी है, सो यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग, कि उनको आपको टाइमली फीड करना है। If they are not ready to eat something, if they are not eating something or the food, don't be like that कि यार जब भूख लगेगी खा लेगा। Offer something else, some ciders, some fruits, so that he'll be happy. Fruits से I'm damn sure कभी कोई बच्चा मना नहीं करेगा। Fruits though they'll happily have it, no issues. So the first thing is starvation, जो बच्चे के लिए होती है। द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ न्यू इन्वायरमेंट। कुछ मान लो अभी स्टार्ट किया बच्चे ने, फर्स्ट टाइम गया प्ले ग्राउंड, एंड यू आर स्टार्ट इम्पोजिंग, गो प्ले विद द अदर चिल्ड्रन, गो प्ले, और इम्पोज कर रहे हो उस पे चेंज। डोंट डू दैट। उसे जाने से पहले प्रिपेयर करो, टेल हिम स्टोरीज कि कैसे शेयरिंग करते हैं, कैसे बच्चों के साथ खेलते हैं, यू विल एन्जॉय मच, एंड देन सी what he'll do. I'm damn sure give your baby some time, he will definitely adapt the change, he will definitely go to the children and play with them and do sharing also. Give them some time, the only thing. Third is the illness also. यार बच्चा भी बीमार होता है, टीथिंग इशू भी होता है, माइट भी उन्हें स्टमक इशू भी हो रहा हो कुछ, तो you have to take care that time, you have to be patient. Now the next thing I'm going to tell, how to prevent the anger. बच्चों में prevention it's gonna be very difficult because अभी उनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग इतनी नहीं होती कि आप कैसे प्रिवेंट करो या कुछ चीज़ें। जस्ट यू हैव टू सूथ देम डाउन, और आपको बस मेनली एक चीज़ है कि फीड देम ऑन टाइम, डोंट लेट देम स्टार्विंग, द मेन थिंग। और एक और चीज़ भी मैं बताना चाहूँगी, what happened कि एक स्टडी कहती है your mind does not accept the words when you are angry, so don't argue with the even children or the elder one when they are angry. Don't try to try like this children to the children that what are you doing, don't behave like this. They'll not accept these words, they're not going to listen, so you're wasting your time, you're wasting your energy. So just soothe them, don't argue with anybody who is angry, and take and give them some time, okay? So for the elder one, I'll tell you what is the prevention. The first thing is meditation. You have to do the meditation daily, 10 minutes in the morning, in the evening. Don't do anything, just sit like this and say Om. अगर ये भी नहीं आता, just close your eyes and you can concentrate here. You will feel so relaxed that this is your time, and I'm sure you will come out your anger with this technique. The second thing you need to do some physical activities daily, like running or swimming or gym, whatever you want to do. Do some one physical activity that will crush your anger. You will feel good also, and that will crush your anger. The third thing that you need to do, that do something good which makes you happy. Do something good for the others, for your loved ones. Do one thing daily, some good thing. Don't do that. The blind people doesn't want to cross the road, but you are pushing. Please cross the road. Don't do it. You can find that what help the other need. Might be your mom, dad, might be your children, might be the other ones, family, friends. What help they need, any kind of help. Do something like that. It will make you happy. It will give you the inner peace. So you have to do one thing daily like this, which makes you happy. And I'm damn sure with all this technique, with all the bundle that I have given you, that how to control the anger, how to prevent it, what are the reasons of, you will be able to come out from your anger issue. I'm damn sure. Please follow, and I'm giving you written on the paper that you will come out from your anger, you will live happy, your family will happy after this. And please like this video, if and comment it after, if you are taking my tips, comment it that what changes you get in your life. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Good luck.